This smells amazing! I wonder how these juicy tomatoes got here.
Well, they didn't just jump here on their own, that's for sure.
Then who brought them? The fruit fairy? There goes another food truck. Where do they all go?
To stores, restaurants, and even school cafeterias. It's like a giant food delivery race.
So the farmer hands the food to the truck, and the truck zooms away?
Baba, look! These fruits came all the way from Florida. That's so far!
Hello, kids! I'm Captain AHS. Ever think about how your juicy apples or crunchy carrots travel all the way to your plate? Buckle up, because we're about to roll through farms, trucks, and stores on a super tasty journey.
This smells amazing! I wonder how these juicy tomatoes got here.
Well, they didn't just jump here on their own, that's for sure.
Then who brought them? The fruit fairy?
Close! But it all starts with farmers. They grow the food on farms, just like that big field over there.
So first, farmers grow the food?
Yup. They plant, water, harvest, lots of work goes in. Then the food goes on a journey.
A journey? Like on a truck?
Exactly. Sometimes in big trucks, sometimes trains, or even boats if it's far away.
I got it! There goes another food truck. Where do they all go?
To stores, restaurants, and even school cafeterias. It's like a giant food delivery race.
So the farmer hands the food to the truck, and the truck zooms away?
Not that fast. After harvesting, the food sometimes goes to a factory or a packing center.
Ooh! To get cleaned, sorted, or even made into something yummy like jam?
Exactly. Then it's packed in boxes or crates before going on its way.
And then we buy it at the store.
Yup. That's why you sometimes see farm fresh signs. The food came straight from farms not too long ago.
Baba, look! These fruits came all the way from Florida. That's so far!
Food travels a lot. That's why we need people like drivers, store workers, and packers to help move it along.
So it's not just farmers, it's a whole team?
Exactly. Think of it like a food parade. Everyone plays a part.
I bet the oranges lead the parade. They roll best.
Now it's the time for quiz. Why do farmers pack their vegetables in boxes before sending them to the market? Option A, to protect them from getting hurt. Option B, to make them lighter. Think about how vegetables can stay fresh and safe. Option A is correct. Farmers pack their vegetables in boxes before sending them to the market to protect them from getting hurt. What is usually needed to move food from the farm to the store? Option A, cars, trucks, or other vehicles. Option B, airplanes only. Think of what you see on roads delivering fruits and vegetables. Excellent. Option A is correct. Which picture shows food being transported to the market? Option A, a girl planting seeds in the garden. Option B, a truck full of fruits and vegetables. Think about what moves the food from the farm to the store. Good job! Option B is correct. Farmers, truck drivers, and store workers all help get food to the market. Is this statement true or false? Perfect. This statement is true. Food can magically appear in stores without any help from farmers or trucks. Is this statement true or false? This statement is false. Good job, kids. Next time, we'll be diving into the world of trading and teamwork, where goods go and how they get there. Until then, look around and see who's making things and who's using them. You might be surprised. Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.